welcome back to OMT. Myself Pooja Sharma, your mentor, your educator. As you know that we were doing chapter number 4 of grade 7, simple equation. So children, so far we have completed exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Now in today's session we are about to start exercise 4.3. But before that, if you have not gone through the video, I'll put the link in the description box. Kindly go through my video, like my content and subscribe my channel and share the content as much as you can. So let us quickly start with the exercise 4.3. So very first question of exercise is what? Solve the following equation. See, in this exercise the simple concept is what you need to do. You need to keep the variables separate and numbers separate. Simple the concept is. आपको क्या करना है? Numbers एक तरफ रखने हैं और variables एक तरफ रखने हैं. So if I say 2y this plus 5 by 2, it will be shifted here in the reverse. Reverse क्या होगा plus का? Minus. So 2y is equals to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Reverse of addition is what? Subtraction. Now you know that if denominators are same, then they are called as like fraction, and in like fraction there is no requirement to take the LCM. Straight away you can do the subtraction of numerator. So 37 minus 5, 32. And here we know that LCM of 2 is what? Again 2 only. So 2y is equals to 32 by 2. Now divide it. When you will divide, you will get the result 16 because 2 16s are 32. Now in the next step, we know that 2 times y or 2 into y. So this 2, when it will be shifted here toward this side, so it will be in the reverse process of multiplication, that is division. So y is equals to 8. I hope you got the picture. Now moving to the next question. So your next question is B part of question number 1. 5t plus 28 is equals to minus 10. See children, again the same procedure you need to apply. ये plus है, इधर आकर क्या हो जाएगा? Minus. So write solution first. 5t is equals to minus 10 minus 28. Now this minus minus is what? Plus, because as per the rule of integer, when two negative signs are there, then which operation? Minus minus plus. So add the number, as you know that you have calculated, I think so, 38. अब आप साइन किसका लगाओगे? जो नंबर बड़ा होता है. So greater is what? 28, and 28 is having negative sign. So put the negative sign. Now again 5 into t. So this 5 will be shifted here and it will become divide. So t is equals to minus 38 by 5. अब मुझे कंफ्यूजन हो रहा होगा कि जो मैंने किया है वो सही है भी या नहीं है. तो आप क्या करोगे? इस t की वैल्यू, जो भी आपकी t की वैल्यू आई है, आप अपनी मेन इक्वेशन में रख दो. सो आपकी मेन इक्वेशन क्या है? 5 इंटू टी प्लस 28 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 10. अब t की वैल्यू मैं इसमें रख रही हूँ प्लस 28 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 10. अगर सॉल्व करते वक्त मेरी RHS और LHS इक्वल आ जाता है, देन वी हैव डन द करेक्ट थिंग. सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. 5 to 5 रिडक्टेड, डायगोनली यू कैन रिडक्ट इट, मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको. सो रिमेनिंग इज व्हाट? minus 38 plus 28 is equals to minus 10. Now do the operation of integer. Minus plus minus कर दिया minus. Sign किसका लगेगा? जो नंबर बड़ा होता है. And here you can see that both the sides are equal. So we have done the correct solution. Now straight away moving to the C part. Till the time you can copy the B part. So your C part. Your C part states that a by 5 plus 3 is equals to 2. Very simple. See, as same as question number first part. Plus है, इधर shift कर दो. So a by 5 is equals to 2 minus 3. Now plus minus is what children? Minus. Apply करो rule. Minus 1. Why I have put minus? Because 3 is greater. So negative sign is there. So a is equals to what? This is in the division. यहाँ आती क्या हो जाएगा? Reverse of division, multiplication. Minus 1 into 5. Simple, the result is minus 5. I hope you are getting. See, again I'll repeat. Shifting करो, numbers एक तरफ रखो, variables को एक तरफ रखो, और तब तक आपको shift करते जाना है जब तक आपका ये variable alone नहीं हो जाता है. So moving to your D part question. q by 4, try to do it by own. q by 4 plus 7 is equals to 5. अपने आप सॉल्व करने की ट्राई करो. q by 4 plus 7 is equals to 5. The simple concept is similarly we have done in C part. Shift this 7 towards this end, so it will be in the reverse of plus, that is minus. So this becomes q by 4 plus minus minus. साइन किसका लगेगा? जो नंबर बड़ा होता है. 7 is greater, so put the negative sign. Now this is in the division form, shifted toward this end, so q is equals to minus 2 into 4, q is equals to minus 8. चेक करना है तो इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पे रख दो, और आप जब इसमें चेक करोगे, सॉल्व करोगे, दोनों एंड्स अगर इक्वल आते हैं, मींस यू हैव डन दी करेक्ट थिंग. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Your equation states that 5 by 2 x is equals to minus 10. See, simple the concept is एक एक डिजिट को, एक एक ऑपरेशन को, मींस एक एक स्टेप में आप एक ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करो. So here division is there, shift toward this that side, so minus 10 into 2. Simple. Reverse of division, multiplication, we know that. Now 5x is equals to minus 20. Now 5 into x, so when you will reverse it, it will be shifted here, it will come in the division form, so your result is what? X is equals to minus 4. Very simple funda, super simple. Is it so? Now moving to your F part, please try to do the simple equation as much as you can, because these are the very basic fundamental chapters which you will be requiring in your higher grades too. So moving to the F part, 5x upon 2 is equals to 25 by 4. I'll erase the name of the chapter too, so that everything is visible clearly. Now first shift this 2 toward this side. So 5x is equals to 25 by 4 into 2. Now we know that 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Diagonally मैंने reduct किया है. So 5x is equals to 25 ones are 25, और नीचे कुछ नहीं था, 2 into 1 मानूं मैं, तो again you will get 2. Now here you have multiplication. Shift your 5 toward this end, so it will be in the division form. Now reduce it. 5 5s are 25. So your result is 5 by 2. The value of x is what? 5 by 2. Put in this equation. When you will get the same result, the LHS and RHS are same. So your answer is correct. Moving to I part, children, G and H will be your homework. Try to do it by own. If in case any confusion is there, let me know. Comment in the comment section box. We'll sort it out. So 3L by 2 is equals to 2 by 3. अभी तक इतने क्वेश्चंस हमने किए, आपको पता चल गया होगा कि इस 2 को हमें यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना है. आप अपने आप करो, राइट डाउन इन अ नोटबुक. सोल्यूशन, डोंट कॉपी, अब अपने आप करने की कोशिश करो. सो 2 by 3 into 2 क्या हो गया? 3L is equals to 4 by 3. Now this is in the multiplication form. When it will come here, it will be in the division form. Easy. So L is equals to what? 4 by 9. क्या किया मैम ने? ये डिविजन में था, तो हमने सबसे पहले इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ले लिया. अब इधर कुछ नहीं था, 1 भी लगा सकते हो if you are getting confused. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. So 4 by 3. अभी फिनिश नहीं हुआ है, वेरिएबल अकेला नहीं है. So this is in the multiplication. When it will come here, it will be in the division. So 4 upon 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Very simple. Is it so? Yes. So very last question of question number 1, J part. Your J question states that 2 by 3 minus 5 is equals to 3. Super simple. Yes, yes. अब इसको इधर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं जैसे हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में किया था. So 2 by 3 is equals to 3 plus 5. So this will become 2 by 3 is equals to 8. अब ये 3 डिवीजन में उस तरफ शिफ्ट कर दो उसको, किसमें हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. So 8 3s are, recite the table. 8 1s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 24. Now this is in the multiplication form. Shift करो, division में आ गया. So your result is 12. Is it so easy? So we have completed question number 1 of exercise 4.3. Now in the next video we'll be starting with question number 2 of same exercise. Till the time, try to do the practice of these questions and subscribe my channel and share the content. Bye bye. Happy learning.